Okay, ready to go. Noob here. I'm not that much of an expert. Let's see, where the hell is my controller here? Display capture, and there we go. Hello everyone. Where is my controller? Should I use the DualSense? Oh wait, it's here. It's in the pouch. Hey Astral Magnet, Kevsta, Ventoni. Extra Too Easy, Callian. And Caladere. Welcome everybody. Okay, there we go. Oh wait, this is not my Axis series controller. Oh, there it is. It was already plugged in, which is a good thing. And connected. Okay, let me lower the music a bit maybe. Okay, it should be good now, I think. Okay, you see shit on my desktop as usual. This is because I was doing some work recently on Dino Crisis 2. And today, I don't remember what I was going to do, possibly the text thing. It's time to fry the dino with China Dot. Okay, let me show you quickly the state of the build. Okay, I think this is all right. Change aim. Okay, should be good, I think. Vibration. Everything here is broken, so don't give it any credit, really. And this thing that you see over here. Oh, wait a second. Where is the cursor? Oh, there it is. Majestic. Okay, the thing is still a little glitchy because of reasons, but there we go. I'm not even sure if that thing is correct at all. Also, I think the game might be slightly too high in volume, so let me quickly drop this. Okay, it should be okay now. I better keep it. Okay. No text whatsoever for now, which is what we're going to fix today. But I was able to at least restore some of the dignity of the game. So page counter is there. Some text here is showing up exactly in the intended way. Plus we have this little nice debug overlay, which I'm going to fill in right now. I don't know what? Oh, wait. First thing to do here is, first of all, I want some music. Give me some music, please. Okay, there we go. We have music now. Okay, what is that I was going to do? I already forgot. Also, I should come up with something like a Pomodoro time, which is basically a time where I'm coding, I'm not reading the chat, and then after the timer expires, I read the chat and we comment the stuff. I should come up with something like that. Pomodoro timer, OBS, let's see. How to create a Pomodoro counter in OBS, let's see. Okay, there's something called SNAS that does this. SNAS, there we go. Okay, let's install SNAS. don't. And launch SNAS. There we go. Okay. Let's see what happens if I do this. Oh, wait a second. This is nothing actually interesting. Chronos. Down from... Okay, let's make this 5 minutes. Okay, so how do I capture this? Oh, okay, okay. But I don't want it here, so let me see if I can move it somewhere. This is totally going to drop into my SSD if I do this, which is not a good thing. Remove timestamp, select sound. How the hell do I even change this? Oh, come on. Why won't you let me do this? OBS forum thread. Start on top. About. Oh, for fuck's sake. Why there's no way to do this? Oh well, you know what? Screw this program for now. What's this NAS? It's just some program that writes a counter to some text file, and I can use that in OBS to display the actual timer. But if that's not going to write anywhere besides my SSD, then I'm not using it. Any good music? Anything that isn't ambience? Oh. Now let's boost this jam. This is my jam. When it plays, bro. Okay, so first thing to do is restore text, and then I was going to do... Oh yeah, the freaking timer. First of all, I don't want this comma. The timer probably doesn't have to be here. It has to be somewhere else. So let's move it to another line. It's definitely not going to be here. I want it somewhere else. Okay, there we go. Now this should theoretically do stuff. This should do the trick, I think. Oh, wait. Oh, this is one. Not working good. Now it should be. Okay, there we go. Much more organized this way. Oh, wait a second. I know what I can do. I know exactly what I can do. Okay, let's do this. Okie dokie. task number. Let's see what the tasks here are so I can do that door skip that we were discussing on Discord. Scheduler, where the heck is my monitor? There it is. And this, there's just one task running, which is this one. Let's see what the hell it is. And the task is this, apparently, which doesn't really say much. Let's see, let's jump into the task. And let's switch to disassembling. Come on. Okay. So it is indeed here. Okay, task sleep. We skip task sleep and we go back to... Okay, push and... EAX is 1, so this is what it's using. Oh, I think this might actually be the door. This seems to be the door code, I think it is. Let's see, let's call this code here. So 41E920. 41E920, yes. Is Madonnasaurus frozen in time? Hello there, those, welcome. Let's see. Actually, you know what? Let me switch the music to the OST. Which I think I still have it here somewhere. There it is. There we go. Okay, this should be the actual structure which is using this. And this is the structure itself, which is 24A0 bytes, so 9 kilobytes. Let's call this game for now. And let's make it exactly 9376 bytes. Structure, please arrange as an array. Give it this. Do not use duplicates. Do not create as an array. And there we go. Remove this and make this into an actual structure. Okay, this seems to be alright. Why do I have all this messy stuff here? Okay, let's call this game. Okay, now I need to pretty much document everything. Okay, let's make this into a more sophisticated okay, this should be the text used for doors, I think. I'm not quite sure if it is, but I can make sure to check it out in a bit. So this 1, 2, 3. Amend this. Okay, if this is the code that is executing the door I'm assuming this is, yeah, stage axis, and I think this might be the door itself. No, this is actually a loading thing. Yes. This is indeed something that I'm going to need. A little too loud? Lowering it then. Sorry, I don't know exactly what the volume level is because in my ears it's still very, very low. Very low. Why do I have mosquitoes in my room? What the fuck is wrong with all these casts and why am I always ending up here? Okay, better now. Good. This is a table indeed, so let's make it behave like one. But okay, again, these are bytes. Nothing too special. How much is DC2 fucked up compared to Resident Evil 3? Interesting question, because Resident Evil 3 was mostly in a good state, I would say, besides running like shit in general because of how it was programmed in the API, in the graphics output. It actually had most of the stuff already there. It was mostly PlayStation code, 1.1 copy of it. Besides a few quirks here and there, it wasn't that bad. Dino Crisis 2, on the other hand, it has all different issues such as broken lighting, broken music, no music loops. The game was basically unstable right from the boot because in some cases it just wouldn't boot at all. What more? The controllers don't work at all, they don't detect in any case. What else? There was the bug with the timer, which is like you have to wait for 24 hours. Hello Citrus, welcome. You have to wait like 24 hours or 48 hours for making the game actually run good. I don't remember what the issue is exactly, but there is a programming bug which makes the game do really weird shit. Yeah, DG Voodoo can somehow mitigate that kind of bugs, but it's not exactly a bug, it's more like the drivers killing the game. So mostly Nvidia stuff just destroying the game for whatever reason. It would boot for me fine until a few years ago, and then one Windows 7 update killed it all, so it would be killed even on Windows 10 in a vanilla state. So I would say Dino Crisis 2 probably has more issues than Resident Evil 3. Some might be somewhat different to fix, but probably not harder. The game is actually very nice in most regards. Also, what the fuck is this shit over here? Is this a string? Is this like an actual string? Ah, no. This is not a string at all. This is more like random bullshit code. Space, some letter and some other letter. I don't know what this might actually be. I know for certain that this is 8 bytes per value. I don't know what these do. Might actually be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's call this game table. Okay, let's make it like this. I don't know what these are exactly, but I think I can probably fix them somehow. I don't think this is even 8 plus n, 8 plus n, and okay, no, this is definitely values of some sort. What? Why is it not accepting the structure? Okay, now it is accepting the structure, which is fine, I think. So let's see how many of these are actually possible. How many of this maximum element size is 28, which might actually make some sense, I guess. Let me try and make it this 10 for now. Let's see if that actually... Okay, it doesn't seem to override anything. Though... the structure itself doesn't seem to actually do very good. Did I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I forgot one. That's why it got disaligned. Okay, let's see how many structures there could possibly be. 32. This actually makes sense. Max possible. Oh, wait a second. 100 suggested element size 92. Let's see. Could it be the master table? Okay, it is actually 92. This definitely makes sense. Let's see what this is. This is not an offset. Stop setting it as an offset, please. Okay, it's definitely 92. It's 92 indeed. So from here, we have table defined as okay. Let's call this master table, and this is master ID. And we change this to why is it trying to typecast it as a byte? This is not a byte at all. This is game. Please set it as game. Okay. Now it works fine. So okay, this is the master table, and I need to find the master ID, which I think is okay. The master ID is actually used here. Whenever it's 88 or 89, it displays a message, which might be the stuff that we see with... Why is this even 80, 80, 80 counting as byte? This is color. Okay. Saw the picture of Resident Evil that you show in Twitter. When the hell Capcom don't say... Alfonso, I was actually joking about that one, don't worry. They wouldn't send a copy, well, to just literally everybody. How long will this take to be completed? Tough question. I have no idea. It's kind of hard to tell, really, because it's still missing a lot of stuff. I mean, the game is mostly in a playable state. Hey, Joey! Welcome. With Play Village, even for free. I would probably play it, but not that much, because at this point I already know the story. I know it is kind of dumb. It's like it's Resident Evil 7 with better gameplay, but with even a dumber story. And I didn't really like 7 that much, to be honest. I played it just once, and then I was over it. I must say I enjoyed much more the Resident Evil 3 remake, because it was more action-packed. It wasn't that great compared to the original, but it was still a pretty good game. Who plays Resident Evil for the story? Everyone who likes the lore. You know what? The problem with Resident Evil 8 is that there is a huge plot hole, which you can tell it was written at the end of the whole ordeal. I mean, it was literally shoehorned into the story. It's just another Silent Hill. I wouldn't call it another Silent Hill. Silent Hill is much better in terms of narration and of characters. It's actually very closer to... Silent Hill is closer to Twin Peaks in that regard. Resident Evil is more like, I don't know, Friday the 13th or The House of a Thousand Corpses. What the hell is the name of that? Okay, from here we know that maybe number 88 might be the little thing that I need for this. Okay, show me the indices, please. Display indices. Which means 88 is... Okay, it's almost at the bottom of the... Oh, wait a second, don't tell me this is actually strings, though it doesn't look like it, because this is definitely not string. This might be a string, this is a string, this is a space. Ah. Funny. Oh, yeah, this is text. This is text indeed. But what the hell is D00, this thing, HU? What the hell is this? Let's see. Okay, it starts at the last 12 bytes, so this might actually be turned into a string. So let's make it char 12. And let's go back to... Why is it messing up again? Wait a second. Why is this not showing me the actual okay, let's call this game master now. I don't know what this is. This might actually be just a simple event dispatcher, but I don't know what it is exactly, so better take a look. So if this is 88 and... oh shit, it's not showing me the freaking thing again. Why is it doing this? Why is it doing this? Okay, game TBL. Let's try and read. Oh, I think I know why it does that. It must be because of this. Which doesn't make sense because this is not duplicate. Please, why don't you just show me what it looks like? Okay, now it seems to be somewhat there, but not quite. Okay, let's just pretend this is not a string at all. Let's just make it into a... Let's remove any sort of... Okay, does this fix it? Okay, this fixes it. Alright. Which is good. I need my indices. I don't care if this is showing butt crap, really. Capcom should pay me. Yes, maybe. I don't think they would actually hire any gaijin, so sucks. It's just another Silent Hill of that one. Yeah, maybe. Okay, now that we know that 88 and 89 are what we need to investigate. Let's check them out. Okay, I see a flag check there, but there might be more. I suspect that's a flag set. Might be. Then I keep seeing that EM count, which I'm not even sure if I register that one as a correct labeling. Might be a random counter, really. My mind is just very stubborn. Okay, let's see. From here on, okay, this is the main switch of this case, so this is definitely a routine of sorts, which I leave unnamed for now because I don't know what it is. Let's not mess with it. Then we have this one, which is 4 bytes, I think. Oh shit. Please. Yes. Okay. I don't think I see anything that even resembles a door, and there's 2 calls to this. What the heck is this? Okay, this is effectively a flag operation, as I was suspecting, but what the hell is it exactly? Oh, I know what this is. This is a fate, magical, and V4 is. Wait a second now. This is definitely a rectangle of sorts because this is 0, and the resolution of the game. Then we have this thing, which I have no idea what the hell it is, which seems to be a counter. So this might actually be a fade structure, so let's document the fade. Let's generate some fades, and the fade is 18 bytes. Let's see. This should be the update rate. This is the mask, I think. No, this is actually some other kind of flag, which I have no idea what it is. This is the mode of the fade, so let's call this mode. Okay, I think we are getting somewhere with this. So let's call this fade set for now. Hey, flashiness. Yeah, back at it again. What does flag off do? Flag off is basically a flag operation. It sets flag or clears them. I had them documented for a while right now. And depending on some flags, you have special cases. For example, this one is called status 1. I don't remember what it is exactly, but depending on the type, you get different results. Clear doesn't do anything in special cases, but if you have ST1 as a flag, it does a lot of other stuff, like it kills the input, and I have no idea what these are. But anyways, the thing here is that it seems to do something, but there might be actually just one flag, well, one fade. So this is definitely a fade structure, but how is it actually called? Okay, let's make this, let's give it a number of things. Actually, it might not even need more than this bytes. Yeah, this doesn't seem to require much. Then we have field 4, which needs to be split like this, and fade field 0. Okay. Actually, let's do it like this. Okay. I don't know what this is, but it seems to be fade set. So it has 3 parameters, which are okay. This is definitely a timer. This is a mode, I guess. Yes, this is the mode. This is the timer. Yeah, that's why it is rate divided. I mean, this one divided by rate, but I have no idea why it translates to this. So for now, let's just leave it alone. This might actually be just a fractional counter. That's the game resolution. This is probably used to fade the screen in and out. So my guess is that, I mean, it's definitely going to be there because of the fades. Doors always have a fade out and a fade in. But this also needs to be split into 4 variables, I think. So let's make 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this would be the mode. This would be the timer. And this I have no idea what it is. Let's call this for the moment just flag. So this also becomes flag. There we go. And I remove the result, which is definitely useless here. Okay, we have the fade documented. Also, if this is actually a fade itself, so let's call it fade. Fade attributes. And this is part of the global, so it's definitely there. Color mode might be, but since I don't think it's the color mode, because usually the color mode for fades is either 2 or 3. Actually, it's probably 2, because that's subtraction. 3 would be multiply. Actually, no, it's 2 it is subtraction and 3 is multiply. Yeah, 1 is brighten the background, so addition. And 0 would be a regular semi-transparency. Also, whenever this works, it actually sets the flag status 6, it sets it to 1, which I'm assuming means that flag 6 indicates a fade happening. Okay. And then we have, okay, this is the, let me call this fade phase, or fade R. Fade R0, let's call it fade R2. Yeah, there we go. Wait a second, didn't I call this ST? ST tile, ST selection, oh wait a second, this is definitely not from the Microsoft FTK. Hey, okay, it's called FLG. FLG status. Oh, wait a second, if this is flags, that's... Okay, just in case, let me change the type to flag so it gives me right away the name of the thing. Okay, this is actually checking if the flag is active or not. Otherwise, okay, if this is if the fade is dead, it actually goes to the next phase, which is this one. Then it waits for, I think this is 60 frames. So the fade takes exactly 60 frames. And this is again the frame counter for the door. E certo, Tenma. Sempre, oggi si fa un po' di Dino Crisis 2. Ok, door timer 17. Whenever the door timer is 17, it does... Well, it goes into the last phase, I think, 3 and 4, which are empty. Whenever these are doing this, I think this is where it does the calculation for the stuff, because whenever it's a 3, it sets the fade again. I think this is fade in and fade out, because it's definitely taking just 2 modes. It's either 0 or 1. And this might actually be a switch. For whatever reason it was coded like this, but whatever. So we have this as the door initial state, I think. Then let's see what's in this other one. Quando vuoi la possiamo fare, Tenma. Anzi, ci dobbiamo fare una partita a Phasmophobia. E devo provare... si chiama... Pacify. Non ho ancora iniziato Pacify. Oh, there we go. Moji message. This is where it actually drags the messages from. I don't know what this is. This might actually be either the oh, wait a second. These are actually pointers, I think. 42. Yes, this might actually be pointers, or maybe not. What the hell are these? Pretty sure this might be pointers. And yes, these are pointers indeed. Although they're kind of weird as pointers because they don't make much sense. They jump a lot up and down. I have this question since ever. How can you set XY to start the game in the middle of the screen? What do you mean XY to start in the middle of the screen? Okay, I have no idea what these are, but they definitely work as something. Let's see, what's this? Okay, this is a wait loop. But what the hell is this? This is a pointer to something, which I have no idea what it does. So let's go back. Oh shit, not this again. Okay, let's go for Game Master again. Oh, wait a second, this is actually 2 functions, not just 1. Also, I don't want this to be called A1, I want it to be called G. If ST13, then sign this. What hell is this? AB calculation of something. This might actually be 3D stuff, actually. Drop matrix, apply matrix short vector. I don't even remember why I have this. Sound effect. Okay, this is sound related. I need to remember it. So let's call this SMD something. Come on. Why call it G as in game? Margins? What kind of margins though? Okay, let's rename this SMD. Is this more sound stuff? It doesn't. Oh yeah, this is the 3D sound stuff. So let's call this a sound 3D. Okay, give it another name. I don't care. Okay, this is definitely stuff that this might be the camera, I think. This should be camera data. And V3 is a pointer to something else, so it's jumping a lot of stuff around. This, okay, this is not a pointer at all, and this is the pan calculation, so this is panning definitely. It doesn't do it through tables like Resident Evil 2, but it doesn't matter, I guess. So this is definitely how sound works here. Yeah, this is source next print. Which is actually identical to Media Kite besides the exit. Wait a second, can I turn this into B-word? Yes, I can. So X, Y, A4, what the hell is A4? A4... Okay, display message is just a static one, so it doesn't do much. 6C. Actually, let's just close this and go to draw functions. 6C is a glyph. Okay. This makes sense. And we have the other glyphs here. So 6C, which is not defined in the original position table, is what it uses here. So this is the RBG end code. So let's call this RBGC. RBGC ends up here. It uses the GFX tool as usual, and it just drops things into it. Seems straightforward so far. Then it sort polygon flat texture for, but why? Is this? I don't understand what this might actually be, but it's definitely drawing something large enough to do something. 7DCD, and the page is 40, which is actually 18, and 18 is 60 plus 8, so 24. Page 24. What the heck is page 24? Let's see what page 24 is. 60, 17, 18, 19, 12, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, 25 is this area here, which I'm not quite sure what it does here. And actually, let me just check in case. Oh no, wait, it's actually page 8, so it's this one. If this is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is actually just a part of the font, which I'm not quite sure what it does, but this is definitely the 8x8 font, which is larger in this case, but for whatever reason it's using this. I'm assuming it might be a special character of some sort. Let's see what it uses exactly. Let me actually check dumps. Okay, this is the phone that I'm needing. So... Wait a second, now this doesn't make any sense. 112. Which is the initial coordinate. Okay, this is weird because apparently it's a square. 112 by 112. Apparently it's here. But there's nothing here whatsoever. This is completely empty. Okay, never mind. This is not interesting for now, so let's just check what these other things do. Oh, Bunny, thank you for the blessing. I'm certainly hoping things don't go to shit today. Also, where the heck is my G? G, give me the G. G, there's a bunch of G's here. And I'm assuming this is like this. Okay, this works. Works very well indeed. This might actually be another timer. And our timer is actually getting bored by 16. More calculation. This seems to be a fraction. Actually, this is a proportion. Yeah, this is a proportion of something. Which goes into V3 if V3... V4 actually... Well, V3 and V4 are the same thing, so why not map it? Map to another variable. Come on. Come on, Ida. Wake up. V4 map to V3, thank you. And V5 is... Okay, this might actually be yet another one. Okay, this is definitely an incremental thing. I'm not sure what it does, but it certainly does something. Also, why is this calculated as a word when it's not a word over there? And this is certainly a word as well, so let's make it a word. Unsigned int, so let's make this into an actual unsigned value. Okay, that fixes the issue there. Okay, 9. Oh, we found something. Wanna know what this, I think what it might be? Do you see that 9999999? Can you understand? I mean, can you imagine what that actually is? I think I know exactly what this is. This is the function that displays the vital credits, aka extinction points, at doors. So we're getting somewhere with this. This is actually the formula that increases your score in game. So this is the animation that does the thing. And I think, as we were suspecting, this is actually just an animation. It's making stuff happen here. So yeah, this is an animation, and this number over here is the maximum amount that you can get of points in a room, which is quite high, but I think it's just there is a fail-safe. I don't think you can go over this value. So if you go over this value, it gets maxed out, and you get this number here. Enrique's mustache predicted it. So I think this is what it does. So this is definitely... I'm gonna rename this into Vital Credit. And I'm going to 11F4. I'm going to change it in the global. So 11F4 11F4. Where the hell are you? 11F4. There we go. Is it 11F4, right? So 11F4 gets renamed to Vital Credit. And I can check if this is correct by simply doing this. Actually, no. I cannot disable the movies, which is mighty annoying, but that will do it. Also, I need to fix this white screens here. Okay, 45485. Ah, shit. Can you imagine if that's... Yeah, 45485. This is the vital credits. And... boom! It increased. That was indeed the vital credit. Found by complete chance. Completely random. You see, this is how I actually work on this shit. And let me see if we can actually go over that. Because I think you can actually add a couple 9s here. Let's see, where the hell is it? 11F4, so vital credit, there we go. There we go, maximized. So the max amount is 9 million, but with 32 bytes you can actually count up to 4 billions, if I remember correctly. What was the max? 32 bits. Yeah, 4 billions. So theoretically you could go over 4 billions. Let's see, if I do this. Okay, now we have how many of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're at 9 millions. Let's make this into 9. Max it out. Okay, whenever it goes over that number, it doesn't know how to display them anymore, so it just goes like that. So let's buy shit from here. Okay, there's nothing here at all. Can I buy even more shit? Can we max this out? I think I can max it out. Super oof. Come on, I want to spend all of these. Hello there, near max. I'm going to assume 9,999 is the max. Yeah, of course. And you cannot max that out. I'm assuming this could also be the same. Does it go... at least over 8,000. Well, it certainly is over 9,000 here. Yeah, it can definitely go over that amount. And it doesn't seem to overflow or underflow at all, because yeah, it keeps the number exactly how it was before. So if I do this, yeah, now it matches. Now it should go down by that much. Let's see if I can use 1,000,000 points. Will it scale down correctly? By the way, I'm in turbo mode right now, so it's bound to do a lot of stuff. Okay. It's correct. We have a lot of rockets right now, and the game can even count them correctly. Also, finally nice to see that freaking text there. Sort Uber AA Tratarito Saki says goes. Let us play baseball. Basket, not baseball. Okay, that... It only counts the first 7 digits. Yeah, it does. It gets to 9 millions. Well, 10 millions. But whatever. That's the max amount that you can go over. But the thing is now, is this always executed to cap the actual amount of stuff that you need? Because I think this... it actually has more than one counter. It should have... or maybe not, actually. Does it even calculate anywhere where the vital credit base value is? It doesn't seem to. This value here is both the visualized value and the actual value. And I'm guessing... Oh, wait a second. There's actually another one. Okay, this is probably the addition that you have here. I don't know exactly how the calculation works, because it seems to do some delta to get there. It is very likely using a delta to calculate how everything works, but this doesn't exactly explain how it does the little animation. So let's call this vital credit add. So vital increase. Is this even used anywhere here? I don't think it is. It's definitely not used. Also, this needs to be changed by word. Okay, there we go. We have the word for this. And we have a table. Wait a second, I think I know what this might actually be. Why is it using a duplicate structure? What the hell is this? A max counter of some sort? Okay, no. $92, okay. This is actually 3 values per entry, so let's make it 3. I'm not quite sure why it is 6,000, 12,000, 2,565. This is identical for everything here. Is this some sort of increase? Also, this needs to be made into a word. This is unsigned. Okay. And okay, so the first value is a word, then we have byte, byte, and word again. If I get this correctly, it should be like this. Or maybe not. Okay, this is 2 times the bytes. And Colton is smoking right now. Welcome to my ward. Okay. I think I'm starting to get how this works. It's actually 2 words and then 2 bytes. But what the hell is this exactly? This value here, I don't quite understand what it means. Let me make this into an actual scratcher. Okay, now it's more like it. This doesn't seem to be using hexadecimal, so let's make it base 10. Okay, base 10 seems to work. 510, 510, 15. I don't know what these are. Unless these are used for weapons? Could this be weapon stuff? Well, it doesn't seem to make much sense. It's either... maybe it's some sort of lookup table for the timers, but I don't quite understand what this is. Because this is definitely a timer which goes from 0 to 16. It does definitely goes from 0 to 16 because the max value is 10. So this is a timer. Everything here is a timer, and then these two are probably being increasing. It's definitely 2 sets of everything, because here it uses field 4 and field 0, and then here uses field 2 and field 5. So 2 and 5 are one set, 0 and 4 are the other set. And so far I think this is pretty clear, but I don't quite understand what this C20 does. C20 is, let's see what it does here. Oh, wait a second, where did you go? Now it's... what? Why did it consume my... I don't quite understand what this is. No, this is definitely... this is not text. And... skipping these doors is more problematic than I was expecting. This is like very insane in many ways. But then again, this game is weird, and this might be something else. Yeah, this is displaying something. Let's see, what the hell is this exactly? 3-5. I mean 3C. What the heck is a 3C? 3C is a GT4, so this is a texture, but I don't think this is an actual texture with a gradient. This is definitely a clot. What the hell is this? It's copying into this. Okay, this is setting the actual value. Oh, there it is. Oh shit. I think I broke it. Oh, wait a second. Before I do this... Okay, now set the type, please. Oh, this is why it didn't make any sense. Now I see. Ah, there we go. It was a float. That's why the notation was so weird. And then we have... Okay, this is a 8x8 symbol here. This is a regular sprite. What the hell is this? Even... Oh, wait a minute. What the hell is this? This is a clot. Why did I not name it clot? There, fixed. The fact that Ida isn't slowing me down, actually not Ida but Streamlabs. The fact that it's still working fine is a good thing here. Because I can do my shit and continue regardless. Also, what the heck is this? Oh, I got a red dot in my name now. Okay, I don't know what this is exactly, but apparently it's a sprite which is either 8x8 or 96x16, and I don't really know what this is. Might be, I don't know, some sort of special graphics that appears at some place. But this is definitely the same thing, because I can... Yeah, of course. This is exactly the same kind of stuff. So this is actually showing some graphics at X, Y, and A3 is U0, V0, A5 is type, I would say it's type, and A6 is the color. Okay, there we go. Stop reviewing. Yeah, but we're not even close to the intended task for now. It's just me rambling about this stuff. I was going to check if it was possible to drop the doors altogether, but apparently it's a very intricate task. Okay, let me turn on the purifier. Come on, purifier, wake up. Wakey, wakey. There we go. I don't know if you could hear the beep, but that was the air purifier. So, okay, this actually is displaying some sort of generic thing, which I have no idea what it does, but it is certainly used at least in 4 places, apparently. Let's see, what could it be? Something that is very large, but kinda short. Or it's either a square. What the hell is it? Some sort of carrot? Because I could tell if I went and tried to find out what 7DCB is, and I actually can. So 7DCB, okay, right shift 6 is 503. And again 7DCB and 3F, was it? Was it? 4 plus 2 is 6 bits, okay, it's alright. And then multiply by 16, so it's 176 by 503. Which is, let me see. Okay, it was 176,503. It's just a grayscale thing. This doesn't tell me much. But we can use the power of the dumper which I made, 7DCB. There, this is it. Oh, I understand exactly what this is. Okay, these are the 8x8 symbols, and these are the 64, what was it, 96 by 16. So it's either result, max combo, room total, and no damage, or these bits over here. So that's actually printing the freaking score. So this thing is actually related to the doors again, which is very interesting. So let me try and drop this thing into my meat grinder. There we go. This is exactly 96 by 16. And I bet this is 8 by 8. Oh, look at that. It's 8 by 8. Oh, look at that again, 8 by 8. Oh my god, it's 8 by 8 again. So this should be called display result sprite. And my guess is that, okay, 190, 200, 190, 200. No, wait a second, that's actually just the X. 128 to 128 to 08. So this is room total. Okay, let's make this into room total. Let's document this shit. And this might be an actual copy of that thing, I assume. Though this might actually be the, what's the name of it? The digit printer. Yeah, this is definitely the digit printer. This is printing the figure because I see a multiply by 10 in a loop, which means this is actually trying to okay, this checks the lead 0 position. but it only does this whenever the value is larger than 1, which isn't actually exact, but I let this slide because it actually decreases that by 1 right after this check. So this is actually counting how many digits we have in this. So let's call this digits. And this is the actual value that we're going to process here. So let's call it value. So the this doesn't make any sense actually. And this is the dividend which we're going to have. Actually, this is not the value at all. This is the amount of digits, max digits, which is of course 7 because we can only count in millions here. I mean in units of millions. So this is actually recalculating everything, and this is the why did it not name this? Okay, whatever. Div? No, make it div, please. So you have the sprite size limits visible on that, basically. Well, it's not yeah, it has limitations. Yeah, it is actually larger than what you would have, because it's still accounting for 96 pixels, but these are much larger than 96. So I think this was done to account for localizations. So the game would use whatever. I mean, it actually makes more sense to just leave empty the side of the graphics and fill them with whatever in case you need expansions, rather than making tables to dictate where the graphics are and how large they are. It's actually better this way. It's a little wasteful, but it works. It works much better in terms of how you would do it. Though it does have limitations because you're actually bound to a range. So say some language like Spanish or German would have issues with this. And did the music actually wrap itself? Yeah, we're back at square one with this. Oh wait, we're not? No, I think it actually did clear the whole OST. Oh, wait a second, I had... Why didn't I use this? I had a flock of this. Why did I use the MP3? Why am I dumb? Okay, next music that I wanna use is... Should I use Genso Suikoden? No, I wanted actually Suiko Gaiden, not Suikoden. Okay, let's use this. Okay, now this is correct. And this is... I'm sorry if I still am not writing any code for this, but I really wanna analyze the game first, and then... Wait a second. Oh... Now we can start giving names to things. And apparently this is part of the animation itself. I'm really starting to like doing this. So I'm assuming A2 and A3 are the X and Y. Probably. Yeah, these are the X and Y. The Y ends up here, so it is definitely correct. And this is a sprite, so let's Let's rename this sprite. Oh, okay. I wonder if anybody is familiar with this song or the game itself, since it never came to the West. But if you're familiar with Suikoden, then you probably kind of know the tunes already. Okay, this is definitely X and Y, because the Y just ends up in the sprite, and the sprites gets bounced around a lot. If the max digits is 7, it prints what? Not that I have to hack any of this, but the code is kind of accounting for something that I can't see very well. But whatever, it actually probably works fine already. Also, let's see what this place. Let me call this door. This room thoughts. So we know already where this stuff is. Then, oh. 0192. Okay, this is a result. So, where is my comment, please? Is it result or results? That's results. Okay, so here we go. What I don't understand is why is this returning a float, which it's not. Oh, for fuck's sake, why did you orphan this? How did you orphan it? Freaking Ida. Okay, we have more of this stuff here. This is 0 to 108, which is no damage. Come on. Okay, damage bonus. Well, I'll call this damage bonus. Also, this is this result number. There we go. And again, why are you doing this? This is not returning anything. Okay. One last of this, and 128, 192. So max combo. Okay, door, display, max combo. So this is max combo. Max combo, come on. You can do it. Funny though how this is actually displaying in colors despite not using colors at all. Okay, let's see where this is located. Can you imagine if that... Yeah, it's again vital credit ad. It's always there. It was always there. And this value 2491 over here is likely to be let me think about it, because room total and max combo you always get, but there's the extra case, which is the damage bonus, which you don't always get to see. The thing with this is that maybe it's just displaying an animation, so it would be nice to actually be able to skip the freaking thing altogether if it was possible to do that, but the only problem here is that it doesn't seem to run in its own task, which is what I was expecting to find. This is interesting. A bit weird, but interesting. Let me think. What could I do to actually locate where the actual door is taking place? Because I'm pretty sure it's here in this function. Game Master is more than likely doing what I need. And Game Master is part of this table here. Unless... Oh! Would you look at that? What is this? What the hell is this? I don't know what this is, but it looks something. It looks like something that I could use. Oh. Okay, this is the actual door. Found it. This is loading stuff. There we go. I know exactly what this is. This should be some files which are used by the game for something that I'm not quite understanding right now, but we can check this in a second. Let me see. Xdump please, and detach it. Oh no, wait a second, it's not Xdump. It's an actual disassembly, which I already have apparently. Oh, wait a second, I was already there. So let's see, file 41 is... Oh, look at that! It's all doors! 42, it's another door. At 44, it's another door. Okay, this is definitely the door loader, guys. This is definitely where it does the stuff. We're getting very, very close to the things. This is definitely all doors. I don't know why it has... There are actually a few unused doors, a couple here. And 8686 should be the last door, I think. Yeah, indeed. The last one is 86. So, I need to rename this door ID TBL, so we know exactly what the fuck this is. And this function here is only telling the game, yeah, load this thing and do whatever the fuck you need to keep synchrony. In the meantime, the game is... the game is actually... Can I drop this here, please? Thank you. In the meantime, it's muting the music, which is this function which I already have somewhere disassembled and recreated. And for whatever reason, this is still using the game structure from before. So let's make this game. Oh, you know what? I think this might actually also be the structure that sets Regina's position in the next room. Fuck, guys, we can actually already add a room jump. If this is what I think it is, we might actually add a room jump already, which would be fucking great. Oh my. BGM some... Okay, no, this is... Never mind, this is BGM stuff. It's not what I was thinking it could be. But... Yeah. I don't know what this is, but it seems to be 68. And this is making the game run in 20 FPS. Is this a coincidence, or is this hard coding for the underwater sections? Because as far as I know, the only way that the game switches to 20 FPS is when you go through a door. Just one type of door can do this, and it's always the elevator. It's the same exact elevator in both cases, and I'm assuming this is the trick. This 68 is what makes the thing go. Okay, make game run at 20 FPS. Elevator to underwater section. There we go. Let's document this. Let me do... Can I actually load the freaking icons? Yeah, this actually comments pretty well. So from here, after I get the file to load, it get ID. What the fuck was this? I think this might be the part where it switches the music. Message H center. What the fuck is message H center? Horizontal center. Why didn't I just call this get string width? Why the fuck do I always name stuff like that? Okay, we have yet another... Oh, wait. Vital increase, I see you. Why are you here, Vital increase? What are you doing here? This might actually be something else in this case. Or maybe not, since it's using it's in the same task, so it should be probably... Oh, ciao Foxino, come va? Okay. 278. And done. Oh. Field 10. The fuck is a field 10? Abbastanza bene, come stai facendo oggi? Sì. Sto analizzando un po' di Dino Crisis 2 per fare casini come al solito. Che è sto 24? Com'è che siamo 24 ora? You know what? This music is depressing me, so let's switch to something else. What could I use? Max Payne is probably even more depressing than this. Persona 2? Who wants some Persona 2? This is so getting content I did on YouTube, I'm pretty sure, but whatever the fuck. Okay, so this is message H center. This is returning a string. Let's what I suspect it does. Oh, wait a second. Oh, SH37, I just saw it with Prime. Thank you, and welcome to the family. But can I actually understand what the fuck the game is doing here? Because I'm literally like kind of clueless. I mean, not exactly clueless, entirely clueless, but quite maybe. Also, why is this? Okay, let's call this PG1 because. Don't worry, the depressing music is gonna become upbeat in a bit. It's actually just the introduction, which is slow. No, this is Innocent Sin. Listen to the real Innocent Sin. Yeah, exactly, the real one, not that PSP crap. The buggy one. This is the only and true Innocent Sin. And not just because I translated it. Now let me see something which is not quite. Okay, let's make this into door load. For the time being, let's just give it a name and let's see where this is coming from, which I suspect it might be. Okay. Okay, translate chain and do this. How is this exactly? Oh, wait a second. Door load game master. I mean, it's not game master in this case because this function is definitely working just in one case. Wait, what? Wait, what? The translation thing that I said? Oh, wait a second. What the fuck did I just do? Yeah, that was my translation. Back in 2008. Really long time shit there. I am a veteran, yes. You might say that. I've been doing this stuff for almost 20 years now. Well, not 20 years, maybe a little less, but kind of similar, I would say. Oh, I get it. I get it. The game is actually bouncing stuff across multiple things. What I don't understand is how exactly is this working? Because it is certainly bouncing across multiple things. Okay. So where is this located? Okay. I think I'm starting to see where this is going. This is definitely in the stage. Room message. This is likely to be part of the... Is this an event? Yes, this is actually from the scheduler of the game. Yes, this should be the scheduler itself, though. Just like not Resident Evil, but Dino Crisis 1, it's all over the place. It's a mess. So I'm gonna call this door locked, and this is door TBL, and this structure, which I've been calling so far game, is actually door. And this is most likely not. Okay, let's see. This is most likely not doing what I was expecting at first. Oh, wait a second. Fuck my life. I now see how this... Shit! I know exactly how to do this now. Okay, let's add the skip. Right away. Fuck it. I can already write the scheduler here. Okay, let's do some magic. I don't think I have anything here, but whatever. Okay, this should be the base code for that. Now, let's go to the Dino Crisis 2 structures, and let's see, local things. Let's say game. No, not what I meant to do. Thank you. Give me the whole structure, please. Thank you again. Okay, this should be good. Come on. What the fuck was the... No shit, I don't remember how to declare this. Okay, there we go. Give me 1 second. I never remember how the fuck these are declared in C. Best music ever. Best fucking music ever. Door is undefined? Oh wait. Of course it's undefined. An array of void is... shit, I don't remember how the hell I declared this. Okay. Was it like this? Yeah, this is it. Okay, now let's declare door TBL. I think this is okay. Now let's switch them around. I want them ordered correctly, and then trans EM should be already defined somewhere. I think it should be alright this way. Come on, please. Okay, there's one symbol, trans EM. Okay. Trans EM is 4A7730. Okay, so let's go again here and or for A, so function trans EM, and that should be it. Kapow! There we go. We have the skip, I think. No, I haven't played it. Hello there, Isogai. Welcome. Let's see if this act works as intended, which I think it might. Oh wait, I probably... Oh shit, why did it do that? Are you ready for this? Oh wait, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh wow, wow, it skips. Would you look at that? It skips naturally, wow. What's this magic? How the hell do I even turn around? Wait a second, how the hell did I even configure that? Whoops. Fell. Okay, if I don't let it play the initial thing here, it just won't work. Okay, okay. This is a bugged address, but hey, it's door skip and it's instantaneous. Why the ivy doesn't come out? Too much music at the same time. Okay, 180. Okay, 18675. Okay, it doesn't calculate the thing until I let it do the thing. Oh, wait a second. No, never mind. It actually does calculate it. Let me remove 1 second the music. Let me see. I can tell you in a second. Come here. Come here, fuckboy. Okay, let's see. 19815. It does calculate them. Even if I skip the door, it does still calculate them. So that is indeed just an animation. Okay, that's actually pretty good, I would say. Yeah, it seems to be good enough. Works pretty well. Okay, I think I fucked it up. Yeah, I fucked it up. Doing this here does not work very well. But yeah, I can totally hear myself, but I cannot see myself. No, I haven't, but Snake is helping with this. So, okay, finding... I don't have a full wage command, I'm sorry. I don't even know how to activate that. Which remind... Oh, Joy is online. Let me lurk him. Oh, he's been streaming for 18 minutes. And I'm redeeming all my tickets. Oh, Sad Poet, thank you for the sub. And welcome to the gang. You know what? I totally forgot to have dinner today. But I guess that's fine. I might actually close the stream in a bit, guys. So, you know what? We're going to raid Joy. So how was the whole ordeal? I will come back to this tomorrow and check if there's a way to avoid the bugs. I mean, theoretically, finding where the thing was actually more difficult than actually writing the code. But you saw the whole process right now. I went entirely through the whole thing in live, so you saw how I do this thing. Which can be kind of fun, kind of interesting, I guess. Let's see, raid Joy. Okay, the raid is prepared for now. If you have any emotes, please spawn them in the raid. So everybody, thank you for coming today. Clip guys, leave the intro to your heart's content. But it actually killed the clip. It doesn't accept the links. If you have the link, if you can whisper it to me, I'll spam it quickly right now so it stays in the VOD. Okay, here it is. And there we go. Thanks, Astro Magnet. Enjoy the clip, guys, and see you on the next side. By the way, I'm not sure when I will be streaming tomorrow. Probably the same time, I guess, because it actually fits better with my schedule. But it was a blast, I would say, to actually analyze the code. It was a little complex, even more so than Resident Evil 3 in some regard, but it was a fun ride. And see you tomorrow with more Resident Evil, Dino Crisis, sorry. See you on the other side, bye bye!